Nestled in the heart of Kitui County, a legacy was born, a legacy of compassion, dedication, and unwavering commitment. The Elijah Nthenge Foundation emerged in 2022, a tribute to the memory of a remarkable man, Elijah Mwangangi Nthenge. His untimely demise on July 3, 2022, left a void that the foundation seeks to fill by continuing his life's work.
Elijah Nthenge Foundation was founded as a remembrance of the late Elijah Nthenge, who was a great philanthropist in this area of Mutomo.
Ukarimu wake ulikuwa ni mzuri wa kujitoa, kufanya kazi na mikono, kusaidia wengine na ile kuambia watu njia ya mahali maana unaweza kwenda ukapata kitu.
Dad was a person with a big heart for everybody. From the family to the extended family and even the entire community.
Elijah was hardworking, honest, and truthful.
Elijah was a man of the people. He was very active, very social, and when the need comes to help, he was available.
Elijah Nthenge was always with us, although he was alikuwa juu kidogo kimapato, lakini yeye alikuwa chini kabisa kwa association na wale alikuwa nao.
Yi mwitu muko ne wetu na bundi thingile mwaka lima tianara no andie tiana ile kamwe keke lati kya kele kange yambe dolika nazali lakini eliela oche kuno ambote tianizu weta kwide inye kwanza ni tie kondenia kwamba liu kilondu onde na tianizu ketobika kwetuo tianizu itindeza tia kakola mukona nigire nikana kuna okana gukane ngwa wetu nelia
Ukethia no kutukwata koko abya no pandu mundu wemelelwa no natukilasya kututethia na kanywa kunena ndeto nundu kaba kutagwa kindu kya une kwe kunengwa kindu yetsuo na une ndwithi wa winacho.
The foundation carries forward Elijah's vision with a clear mission: to educate and empower individuals and communities, nurturing them towards living healthier lives. Our vision is to create a vibrant resource hub where local communities and individuals can flourish in both body and soul through timely disease prevention and effective treatment. Elijah Mwangangi Nthenge was not just a man, he was a symbol of hope, a dedicated philanthropist who dedicated his life to serve the people of Kitui South constituency. His compassion knew no bounds, and his impact resonates to this day through various projects he initiated to uplift his community. Elijah Nthenge, a man with a vision, a purpose, and a heart full of compassion, worked tirelessly, side by side, with Mutomo Mission Hospital to make sure that the vision and mission of this vital healthcare facility were not just words on paper, but a reality that touched the lives of those in need. Today, though Elijah may no longer be with us, his spirit lives on in the hearts of those he touched. The community deeply feels his absence, and his legacy continues to inspire us all. To honor his memory and continue his mission, the foundation wishes to partner with the hospital. Together, they aim to carry forward the vision of quality healthcare for all, ensuring that the community receives the care it deserves. This partnership is a testament to the enduring impact of one person's dedication and compassion. Elijah Nthenge's vision will shine on, bringing health and hope to those who need it most.
This hospital is a level 4 hospital. We are able to provide medical and surgical services to all ages. We have a maternity. We have take care of HIV patients, so we have a HIV program with us, and with a staffing population of close to 130 members of staff.
This facility, normally in our OPD, we are able to see 120 or 130 patients on average. And these patients normally are from this vicinity. They come because of the heart or what we have for them and what we give them, that is quality. In a nutshell, I'll say that this foundation is coming at a time that the facility have just recently launched its strategic plan. That is a strategic plan that is running between 2023 to 2027 with so many objectives and with a big focus towards partnership. And partnering with Nthenge's Foundation, we believe that we are going to achieve these goals and objectives that have been highlighted, that have been scanned through the external and internal stakeholders within the facility.
This area has been is a remote area, far from the developed towns, and the area of health is one of the challenges that is prevalent in this area. And the best thing that Elijah did was to try and help. But himself, he was also affected by the things that happened here. In terms of when he was sick, it took time, even by the time he was getting Nairobi, which is about 240 kilometers from here, that he could have not been diagnosed properly here, and so not get a good care. And so the foundation was formed with the full vision of ensuring that we can change that in this Mtomo area and even beyond.
Access to healthcare has been a very big challenge. And while we've made tremendous milestones, while many Kenyans now can be able to access NHIF, while we have access to care, we are again at a crossroad where, though we receive a lot of donations and they are good, many times in form of equipment and such, we have issues to do with training and capacity. Our medical practitioners, we are experiencing brain drain, yet we need qualified personnel. We need people who are trained to be able to come back and respond to their communities and serve in our institutions of healthcare.
As we offer our services, we do experience challenges as well. Some of the challenges are patient-related. As you understand, this is a semi-arid area, serving a fairly poor population. So when it comes to economic lifestyle, a little lower. When it comes to putting money aside for healthcare services, probably that is not a priority. So we see a number of patients presenting themselves to the hospital quite late, which means the diagnosis is done late. And sometimes when they come late, it's very difficult to give them the care that you should have given if they came a little earlier.
They come when it is too late sometimes, and we are forced to see how we can be able to partner with them to ensure that we're able to offer holistic and accessible care to them. We have been able to partner with these patients as a barter trade. That is something that has been an old version thing, but still works very well for Kitui and specifically this facility, whereby these patients are able to bring to us goats, millets, and even most of the foodstuffs that they're able to get from their shamba to pay for their medical bills.
When we get goats from our patients to pay off their medical bill, we use the same goats for patients because we have inpatients. We need to give them animal protein. So we don't barter the goats that we get from the patients, but we use the goats to provide animal protein to the patients that are admitted.
We have interacted with many people. We went to the mission hospital it was very humbling to understand the concept of barter trade, that the hospital is able to partner with the community and the patients so that their well-being can be improved.
As a facility, we are open to solidify this partnership and collaborations to ensure we touch the lives of Kitui and beyond.
Largely in healthcare, knowing that behind the legacy that they believed in, healthcare was right at the center.
Our commitment to Elijah's legacy is unshakable. We are here to carry forward the torch he lit. We will continue touching the lives of the local communities, ensuring that his memory lives on through the positive impact we make.
Most of the kids you see, his siblings, and even kids of his brothers and sisters, is the one who actually took care of them. He actually educated them. First of all, he loved education. And the only way he said that you can be able to change here, which is a rural area, it is actually through education.
Mzee Elijah, wakati nililemewa upande wa school fee katika Kandai Primary School, alisimama na mimi kwa upande wa kunilipia karo na akanilipia mtihani wa darasa la 8. Nikafanya mtihani, maana watu wetu wa nyumbani ama familia hawakuwa na uwezo yoyote ile, kwa sababu hawakuwa na nguvu ya kuniwezesha kusoma vizuri.
Among facilities that Elijah Thenge worked closely with is Chartuni Special School, a facility dedicated to help children with special need.
I used to support a lot of kids, especially the less privileged, like the Chartuni Special School. He could actually support them when the headmistress will come and say he doesn't have anything, they will actually support and actually give him something.
This school started as a unit in the year 2003 with 4 children. 2 were mentally challenged and the other 2 were deaf. As the school progressed, the numbers kept on swelling up to the year 2009, when we started feeling that there was need to be advanced as a school. We have had Elijah Foundation, which has also joined the chariot, and we feel our doors are open. The gate is open for any person who wants to support those who are enabled differently, the vulnerable children in our school.
But we can't do it alone. We invite you to join hands with us. Together, we can make an even greater difference. Your support, whether through contributions, volunteerism, or advocacy, can change lives, one at a time.
In our dormitories, we need to do fumigation once in a while. Mosquitoes are a threat when it comes to rainy season. And with the kind of needs our children have, mosquito nets may not be the best. We need somebody, an NGO, a partner, to come and fight the mosquitoes with us. We need wheelchairs. We have 36 children living with cerebral palsy condition, and they need to be mobile like another Kenyan child, and you find that they are limited. The conditions need walking frames. We need the environment to be adapted to suit their needs. Comrades, a forest starts just by a single tree. Our motto states, quest for reliance. And with our partners, the Elijah Thenge Foundation, we feel at some time we are going to realize our goal. We welcome you to work with us to provide, to encourage, to push us grow this forest. How we wish someday disabled persons in this locality will have a place to call a workshop, whereby they can produce and market their items seated, not under a tree, but under a shelter.
We call upon you to join us as we partner to build on the late Elijah Ndenge's legacy.
So this is really also a clarion call to say, hey, there are things that we are doing, they are working well, they can be scaled. We can join hands with others. They can come and learn, even as we support each other to be effective. This is the only place in the world you get to experience and encounter tropical diseases. It's an opportunity for doctors from other parts of the world to come and learn. That is a gain for them. It is a gain for them. It is not a limitation for the Kenyans or for the people who are here. So for those who may see this video from out there, as you think about your part to play, I want you to know that it is an opportunity for you.
To as many stakeholders who are out there, who not only have had an opportunity to hear about Elijah Nthenge Foundation, but they have planted a seed in them that they can participate, I would like to assure you that Elijah Nthenge Foundation offers that platform. I want to remind us that the sustainability question is not a question that should be answered in its own exclusiveness. As many of the private sector out there who would want to get involved, please understand that not only does Elijah Nthenge Foundation offer you the opportunity, but also to remind yourselves that doing good is good business.
And my urge today is that if we could fill that gap that Elijah left, one of the things is projects zile alifanya zote na vile alituadvise, kama tungepata watu wa kutuendeleza hapo ama mtu wa kuendeleza hapo ama tungekuwa capacity builded, tuwe sisi wenyewe tunaweza kujiendeleza.
Na kwamba watu wa eneo hili tuweze kuendeleza, kwa sababu maisha ni relay, tupatiane baton kijiti ili mapenzi yake ya kukuza mambo ya hospitali, mambo ya elimu, mambo ya kupatia watu msaada yaweze kusonga mbele. Watu wajitoe, mimi nijitoe, ili kwa sababu alikuwa mwangaza. I have to emulate him.
Kwamba tungeungana, tushikane mkono, tuendeleze maono ya Mzee Nthenge. Kwa vile maono yake alikuwa mbali, alikuwa anaona mbali, alikuwa anataka watu wasaidike. Kwa hivyo tukishikana pamoja, tuwe na lengo moja ya kuendeleza, kudevelop the people within us, around us. Tukiwa na huo moyo wa kusaidiana, tukiwa na huo moyo wa kutenda, kujinyima, tutende, tusaidie wale wengine, tungeenda mbali. Kwa hivyo naomba wafadhili, marafiki wa Nthenge, watu wa kijiji, watu wa hata wa inji, tushikane mikono na wafadhili wale wengine watatoka Kenya hata Australia na mahali kokote. Tuungane, tushikane mkono, tuendeleze na huo mwito wa Nthenge, jina lake lizisaulike.
Tukishika vizuri na tuendeshe vizuri, itasaidia vizazi na vizazi na vizazi.
The Elijah Nthenge Foundation is more than just an organization, it's a testament to the enduring spirit of compassion, community, and positive change. As we look towards the future, we envision a healthier, happier world for all. Join us in this journey as we work tirelessly to create a legacy of health, well-being, and hope.
I am Elijah Nthenge Foundation.
I am Elijah Nthenge Foundation.
I'm Elijah Nthenge Foundation.
And I am Elijah Nthenge Foundation.
And I am Elijah Nthenge Foundation.
I am Elijah Nthenge Foundation. I am Elijah Nthenge Foundation.